Welcome to Food Technology 1 FOT 150S. I am Vusim Shaisa, and today I want to talk to you briefly about how you should prepare your submission for the peer evaluation. In your assignment 4, which is the mini assignments, you are tasked to create or to develop a PowerPoint presentation that you should submit on Blackboard as part of a peer review process. So working in groups, this is what you will do. Once you have created your PowerPoint presentation slides, so these are my PowerPoint presentation slides. This is what I would like to show during the oral presentations. In order for the other groups or for the people that are not familiar with your topic or with your product, in order for them to follow what we are trying to convey to us, you should then provide them with sufficient information. So if I provide you with these slides and then I give you to peer review them, you may not necessarily understand what I'm trying to say in a given point in this format. So what I would like to highlight is to show you how you can add in notes on your PowerPoint presentation. So let's say your PowerPoint presentation is open like this. So your first step, you have to click at the bottom. There is a notes section. So if you click there, then this window pops up. This window you can move up and down. In this case, I've added some text here. You can introduce your team and briefly inform the audience about your presentation. So in this area, it's where you can put in your notes. So let's say I would tell the audience that we are a leading manufacturer of my favorite. So my favorite is banana bread. Right. Just making an example here. Banana bread. So this will appear in your slides. So you can also use in bullet points here. You can also use in numbers in order for you to highlight your points. So you can do this for all these slides. So if you look at here, this is what I've done here. CPUT Foods is an industry-leading portfolio of taste and nutrition systems. I've also said here, finally, CPUT Foods is connected, CPUT Foods is unique, and CPUT Foods is innovative. So during the presentation, this text at the bottom will not appear on your slides. We need this for the peer evaluation. So if you do not provide this information in your peer evaluation, the people that are reviewing your presentation may not be able to decipher or to understand what is it that you're trying to say to them. Importantly, we can only take a maximum of 20 lines for the peer review system. So you should not make your slides or your text more than 20 lines. Aim to have less than that so that the people can be able to view. So now the important question is, how do I then save my work so that the people can see it? So you would need to save your work as a PDF document, right? A PDF stands for protected document format. So you click on file, go to save as. So I've already created a folder where I want to save my presentation. So the presentation has been saved originally as a PowerPoint presentation. Now I want to save as a PDF. So you click on save as a PDF. Then you will go to options. You go to publish what? I would like to publish the PowerPoint notes. So then you click OK. So there is also an option here, you can open the file after publishing So for me, I prefer to click it here. So let's say, for example, I give this a name. So I'm just gonna say 2 because I already have a similar file there. So then you save your file. So your file is going to take a few minutes or seconds in order to process the data and publish it. So once it's published, you'll be able to view your file, what you have created. So in this case, this is my file, this is how it appears, and this is my text at the bottom. So for you to upload your assignment on Blackboard, this is the type of file that we need. We don't need the PowerPoint presentation yet for the peer review. We only need you to submit this PDF with the notes. So then the people that will be evaluating, or the other groups that will be evaluating your PowerPoint presentation, they will be able to follow what is it that you are trying to say. If you look at my PowerPoint presentation, throughout there will be notes. You can also use paragraphs as long as you understand, but preferably you can use also bullet points. So for example, you can also have paragraphs here. So this is how my text flows. This is what the information that is provided here then. So if I want to talk about CPUT Foods as a strong foundation of food and biological science upon which to develop solutions that meet consumer needs. But if you look at my slides here, you only see the bullet points. Remember, in the PowerPoint presentations, the slides, we do not want to see paragraphs in your slides. We want to see bullet points. But in the notes, it's where you give us the meat, it's where you tell us more information. So the groups will then recommend or make comments based on what you have given us for your presentation. So basically, this is what I wanted to highlight to you. I hope you find it easier. So if you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask me or ask other groups how they have done theirs. Thank you very much.